everyone, I'm Rafayat and welcome to this special video. In this video, I'll share with you a tool that will allow to do color grading on your video within just a few minutes. So here is my raw footage and now I'll be doing the color grading on it. First, I'll go to the effect option. From there, I'll move to the video effect option. Then I'll click on more and select the film emulation option. After that, I'll click this effect on my video. As soon as we apply the effect, the video will undergo some color grading to enhance its appearance. To further refine it, we'll go to the effect control panel. First, there is an input section and within it there are several options. From the source option, we'll select the camera. Now we can choose any camera from the camera option. As soon as we select a camera, you will be notice that the video color grading changes accordingly. There are many more options here, and by spending a bit more time exploring them, you can achieve a really great result. Now, I'll be show you how to access this tool. Simply open your browser and search for Dehancer.com. From there, you can download and use this tool for any software you need. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video will help you a lot.